I'm Mel from Two Sleepyheads, and today I'm going to show you how to create this U design that we got a few feedbacks on TikTok about giving a tutorial. So here we go. Alright, so same thing, artboard with your color choices at the top. So let's go with letter U. And let's go with a thick font, which it won't get heavy, so it has very thick lines. Okay, let's just path it and align to the middle. Okay, so for now, change the color, and then we go to the ellipse tool and draw circles. So we're gonna do different circles of different colors. So duplicate the circles in the bottom, shift it to the bottom. So yeah, I select one circle and then I go to the drop shadow, and then let's make it more blur. Alright, so here's how it looks like. So let's duplicate the one with the drop shadow instead, and just select and change the color with the eyedropper tool. So shift to the back, change to eyedropper tool, duplicate again, shift it to the back, use the eyedropper tool and change the colors, and then we just do this repeatedly until we meet the end of the U. So oops, okay, and okay, let's duplicate. I have to find ways to cover the entire U shape. So let's shift all the circles a little bit, block the background because I don't want to move it. Okay, now we'll just select the shapes, select all the shapes, and group it together. Okay, so the point of this is to clip the circles into the U, right? So let's shift the U in front, select both of it, and Command 7, which is clipping mask. And there you go. Get this design. Now I just want to copy the U that I did, duplicate it, and I actually just want to delete all the circles because I want to just create a drop shadow effect for the entire U. So for this U that we duplicated, let's shift it to a darker color of the blue. Okay, maybe let's go for lighter color of the blue. Okay, darker works better. Yeah, so it looks like a drop shadow of the U. Can't decide, darker or brighter. Let me know what you think, which is better. Okay, for this to go darker. Yeah, so this is how you create this design. Super simple. Just shift the circle to cover the yellow. Okay, so this is it. Let me know what you think. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We're actually doing a 36 days of type challenge on Instagram, so do check us out on Instagram for more information about that. You can see the different alphabets that we are doing. So yeah, do follow us on Instagram as well, on TikTok, and also visit our website, and also drop us a DM or email if you need any help with creative services. Also, if you want to learn how to design or better your design skills, do like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Till next time, bye!